In this video, I will show you how to send a Google Calendar invite in email so you can easily schedule meetings and events. To get started, what you want to do is head over to calendar.google.com. From here, you can come up to the top and choose whether to view this by day, week, month, year, and so on and so forth. I'm going to change this to week. Now, what you can do from here is select an event, or you can just create a new event, which you can then invite others to. So for example, I'm going to set up an event on Friday the 1st of May. So I'm going to click onto my time slot. Let's go for 12 PM. And then what's going to happen is the event window is going to come up, so you can add your title. So for this example, I'm just going to put team meeting. What you can then do is, of course, change the time and date and things like that from here. And to actually invite guests via email, you can see there's an option to add guests. Give that a click. What you can then do is type the email of someone that you want to invite. Once that's done, as you can see, I've currently invited one person, but you can of course invite as many people as you want. You can also change the guest permissions. So if you click down here, you can see you can set their permissions. So whether you want them to invite others, modify the event. Once you're happy with everything, just click save at the bottom. And what's going to happen is you're going to get a window come up like this, where it says, would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? So what you want to do is click on to send, and that's going to go and send the invites out. Now I've actually logged into the email just to show you what this looks like. So they basically need to go into their email and they're going to see an email similar to this. And you can see there is the meeting link and details of the event. So you can see the date and time, things like that, who's organised it. And of course they can join the event by just clicking join with Google Meet. So that is how to send Google Calendar invite in email. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.